Panama Canal route. The Panama Canal is an artificial waterway in Panama which was constructed in 1914 by excavating the Panama Isthmus, which connect Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. The canal was officially opened for navigation on 15 August 1914. The construction of this canal has facilitated easy trade between the western countries. Dimensions of Panama Canal. Total length of this canal is 82 km, depth 12 meter minimum, width 19 meter. History of Panama Canal. This canal was built by United States of America. It was controlled by United States from 1914 to 1979. After 1979, control of canal passed to Panama Canal Commission. What was Panama Canal Commission? A joint agency of US and the Republic of Panama. On 31st December 1999, complete control of canal passed to Panama and it is still under the control of Republic of Panama. Economy. The ships sailing from this route have to pay an average toll of US $450,000 for passage. About 13,000 to 14,000 ships passes through this canal every year. It takes a ship 8 to 10 hours to pass through the canal. Panama collects a revenue of $2 billion per year from Panama Canal. Benefits of Panama Canal. Panama Canal is a shortcut route and greatly reduced the time for the ship to travel between Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. It enables the ship to avoid the lengthy and hazardous Cape Horn route to go around the southernmost tip of South America. It reduces the distance of about 12,000 km between the east and the west coast of North and South America. The Panama Canal has reduced the distance between New York and San Francisco by 12,000 km, New Orleans to San Francisco by 9,000 km, and New York to Sydney by 6,500 km. Importance of Panama Canal on world trade. After the construction of Panama Canal, it facilitated easy trade between Asia, Europe and American continents. The United States has benefited the most from the construction of this canal. Over 40% of the United States shipping goes through this canal. The canal has helped in reduce shipping cost of the goods that were now easy getting transported. All nation benefits from the Panama Canal because the shorter route cuts down on the time to market and cost, therefore making the cost of goods cheaper. Exporting nations can sell more and importing nations can buy more. Hence, it has increased global trade.